Nophier Plumbing and Heating coming to you with a quick tip video doing a minor repair on a drain line for a sink, and rotted away. So we replaced it, we got a new one. So we got a few tips for you, 3 tips. One is you shouldn't use any Teflon. And tip number 2 is I put a little dope, a little pro dope. So it acts as a lubricant to tighten it up. And also when I put it on, make sure I take off all the price tags and SKU cards, so you have a nice clean surface that you're getting on. You don't have to tighten it and tighten it and tighten it for it to get watertight. So those are my 3 quick tips. No Teflon. Put a little Pro Dope on the washer. Take off any stickers or price tags. I guess as a bonus, you can say use a pipe cutter. Look at the difference in the cut. Nice clean cut as compared to that with a hacksaw or a grinder. No mess, real quick. Thank you for tuning in.